I'm gonna do some testing, whatever this works. I'm gonna do some testing for these 2 DIYs I've been itching to do. One is these chrome pens. I bought these chrome pens on the interwebs, and basically I want to chromify our light switches because they ugh. And light switches to replace are surprisingly expensive. Also, I live in the country of no options. So, first DIY is I've noticed this plastic thing on our shower, at the top of our shower somewhere, and I thought it would be the perfect test subject to like see what the chrome looks like on something. It's not super clean, but maybe I'll just do the edges and around and see how that looks and, you know, continue. I don't know, I just want to do something because I feel like a failure if I haven't done one thing during the day or throughout a weekend or whatever. There's a lot of dust on this, but again, this is a test subject, so we're not going to worry too much about that. Okay, let's go. Perfect. This has a lot of texture, which makes it kind of difficult, and I guess the way I paint this on is also... I think I'll have to like make it black and then put chrome on top of it. If I've learned anything from doing my nails, a black coat goes a long way. And also I wonder if it might just be easier to use nail polish instead of this pen. Maybe I'll do another test subject with nail polish. The thing is, with nail polish, I need a UV light big enough to like put these big lights on, you know? Okay, let's let this dry off for a second and do this. This is hammer paint, and I wanna, I think our handles, whatever, I think our handles are kind of ugly. And again, this is expensive to change, so I'm all for a cheap solution to making it pretty. So I saw someone online, I'll try to find the video, use like Plasti dip to cover a bunch of stuff, and I thought that was kind of genius. So I want to test that shit out. The instructions on this say that you're supposed to like paint it on, and I think it gives a texture. But this is not the energy I'm coming in with today. I'm coming in with the energy of dipping it in, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, it's a fun color. You can't see, but it's this like mossy green. Ooh, that smells strong. Here we go. Didn't read the instructions, don't care. Let the excess dip off. We're getting into the summer season because I'll have to open some windows to do this. But this color is freaking cool. Am I right? Oh my god. I love it. You can't tell me this doesn't slap. Do you also collect chopsticks from takeout? Anyway, what I've learned is I think one coat like that is too much. So I'll have to figure something else out. Maybe I'll have to paint after all. I'll just put this Oh, that doesn't work. May have gotten overly excited and forgot to plan for this. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe some. Let's not get this on my pretty desk. Oh, it's holding up. Let's try this one now. I'm gonna put the second coat. Nope, wrong pen. I don't know about these pens. They're cool for other stuff, but they give a funny texture that I'm not going with. Also, the Sharpie on top really didn't. You see how it's like black? I don't know about this, you guys. In the light it looks good, but in like dark lighting it looks terrible. So I'll have to do more testing, and I wonder if I'll have to like lightly sand the surface of the light switches. But yeah, this is not it. Maybe a second coat. Good thing I tested it. I don't usually, I just go in blind most of the time. Testing the chrome finish part 2. I found some white plastic from different electrical DIYs I did a while back and I haven't thrown out. Oh, and I also have my UV light. I'm gonna give it a little testy poo. I think this might be the closest to what I'm working with, although this is matte and the plugs are shiny, but fret not. Oh, this is looking pretty good. Not bad, but this is a vibe. Let's try more shiny white plastic. Ooh. This is kind of going on like butter, but will it come off like butter? And it's a little splotchy, you see? Oh my god, it looks so good. As baker. She baking. Damn. That does look kind of fire. Damn. Oh, I didn't want the difficult one to be better. These are the results so far. Top part is nail polish. Bottom is the pen. But the nail polish looks more metallic, like real metal. Okay. So my first DIY is now drying up here, but also holding my second DIY. Let's see how this goes. Definitely has a funny texture. It's like crackle nail polish, you remember that? Millennials. Interesting texture. I don't hate it. Do you want to see the DIY I did last time? To test it out. That was the first one. The first attempt. First test, here we go. It's gonna take a while if it needs to dry between every coat. Should I read the instructions? No instructions it is. We're on coat number 4. Maybe 3 is enough. What do we think? It's kind of cool. Okay. I'm doing some more testing on this. And it looks okay on camera, and it looks okay IRL. But it's a little bit gray, and I sanded down this end bit a little bit to see if it grips better. And it's less bubbly on where I've sanded it, so maybe that's the trick. But it definitely does not look as shiny and crispy as the nail polish. So maybe what I'll do is do one of each, you know? Do one with the nail polish and one with the chrome pen. Either way, this chrome pen I think needs a top coat. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit. It does look pretty cool though, doesn't it? Looks better on camera than IRL. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I bought some clear lacquer, high gloss, which normally I'm not a high gloss girl, but I'm gonna high gloss this later. At least you can't see the streaks where I painted. Yesterday I tried putting varnish on the chrome like pen thing, and it didn't go well. I don't know if you can see that, but it like just kind of took the paint off. So I'm gonna try again because I really want this to work. And I took my ADHD meds today, so I have crackhead energy. Let's see what I can get done with this crackhead energy. I painted this about half an hour ago, so it should be dry. Yeah, it's dry to the touch now. Fail. So, we can't put a clear coat on this. We can't put a varnish on this. And without the varnish, here's another one of my tests. This is an amazing angle to see all of my chins. Without the clear coat, or without a varnish on top, it kind of, get out of my way. You see this? It's just like, it's not gonna be solid enough. So, that pen won't do it. Which means I need to use a nail polish. My boyfriend thinks this is gonna be ugly. Maybe it is. Maybe not. We'll see. Gonna give this a light sand so that it sticks better. Gonna let the dog out. Gonna clean this off with some alcohol. There's no going back now. If this goes wrong, I blame the sorry girls. This is gonna take forever. Oh my god, this is gonna be so ugly. No, trust the process, trust the process. You've already scratched it anyway. If this is horrible, I'll just buy one new plug. Okay? Oh. I'm already regretting this. No, you're not. No, you're not. It's fine. It's fine. We're going for the second coat. Now we're going in with the top coat. Now we're gonna cure this for 20 seconds and then chrome. Eee. Now we need to wipe off the excess powder. Let's top coat this real quick. Okay, the top coat is kind of taking this in the right direction. It has reached my attention that this might be ugly, but I gotta finish it. So we might have one ugly plug in the bedroom. I'm glad I didn't start on the big one. Oops. I finished this monstrosity. I figured, since I'm already deep in this, might as well go deeper and try and just paint on the rest with the pen. Look at how like textured this is. I don't know if I can get it on camera, but like ugh. So let's keep going. Why don't we? Start at the top. This is a bad idea, but I did it anyway. So now we know that whatever method I would have chosen, it would have been ugly. This might be one of the more cursed projects I did. I'm glad I followed through with it, but God, does that look terrible. Oops. It's a shame it didn't work out because I can see the vision. It's just poorly executed.
Oh, fuck's sake.
You like?
I don't want to say I told you so. This is exactly what I thought would happen.
This is a fair reaction.
Yeah.
You are allowed to say I told you so. It's been now several weeks since I tried these DIYs, and do I regret doing the plug on the wall? No. I think there is a way for this to actually work, but it needs precision tools and precision person, and I'm just not that girl. It also comes off maybe a little tacky, mini tacky, but I don't really notice it anymore. I think every now and then I'll be jump scared by it, but I think at some point, whenever we decide to sell this house, I'll just buy a new plug, I think. The other one is that we need to cover all these handles because I actually like my other DIY that I'll show you. But I need your opinion, and that's the only reason I haven't finished it, is because I need your opinion, not because I'm lazy. I'm quite happy with this one. Oh, the lighting's wrong here. I'm quite happy with the outcome of this DIY. It's pretty nice. It's better than what we have here, which is always an improvement. But my question for you is, do I cover the whole handle in the paint from here to here, or do I just do this part here? Please let me know so that I can finish this. I hope my failing miserably multiple times was entertaining to you, because apparently it's my signature move. Maybe in time I'll get better, but for now, this is just a 15-minute video or a 20-minute video of me failing, which, you know, we don't see enough people failing, so you're welcome. Please come back. We'll see what I'm doing next time. I don't know, maybe I'm finishing the 18 DIYs I have going on. I still have some electrical wires that are hanging loose left and right. Please come back. Hope you're entertained. Hope you enjoy seeing people fail while learning. Bye!